Xcorps, this is Jason Lazo. We're in Escondido, cruising grand, baby, and I tracked down Jeff Gallagher. How you doing, bro?
Doing real good, bro.
He's the owner of this GTO right here, 455 HO 72, only 10 made. 10 cars.
Shorty, if it were up to me, we'd sit pressed out in the VIP. But shorty, I don't give up. Yeah, I'm a rider, I stay punk rock. Shorty, I got the master plan. Shorty, you got style, I wanna be.
So what's the power like in this bad boy?
Oh, it's real fast. It's a rocket sled.
You can light the tires up, to say the least.
Oh, absolutely.
Gas mileage?
Horrible.
Non-existent.
Don't even have to worry about it. It's so bad.
Like 10 feet.
It's in the single digits.
Right on. You have a lot of fun in this car or what?
I do. I still get butterflies every time I start it up.
There you go. Jeff and Jason, you're in Escondido. We're in Escondido. You're checking it out. Cruising grand. Stay tuned. So what's your fancy? Chrysler, GM, Ford, Pontiac, they're all here. We're cruising grand in Escondido. Right now we're going to go check out a great new music video from our friends at Rive. You are watching the Xcorps.
One, two, three!
We're cruising grand in Escondido, checking out some monster antique drags in Carlsbad, Coronado Speedfest, and the Good Guy Car Show in Del Mar. No gas crisis here. You're watching the Xcorps.
it.